okay, just picking up Harmony, and then we're gonna be on our way to Daejeon, and then we're gonna take the KTX to Daegu. So here we go. Here we go.
We're going.
Alrighty, we're in Daejeon looking for Ashley. Where is she at?
I'm gonna stand right here for a second.
Okay, do a look around. Well, this is Daejeon. Wow, I look so short compared to you guys. I have to like hold it up. Okay, but we look cute.
There we go.
Harmony's in it, yeah. Here comes a train. We gonna jump off. Oh, there it is. It's okay. Dropping our book, trying to get the sign.
Welcome to Daegu.
Yay! Okay, nice.
Well, I'm dark. Where am I?
You're behind me. Going to brunch. Yeah. Fight in the air. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Wait, this is good view. Yes, action. Oh my god. Bobbing and weaving. Getting our workout in. Not me and Harmony. I'm already exhausted just watching. We're about to get a taxi to the brunch place. Ooh, it's a little chilly and windy. Okay. Let's see how brunch is gonna be. Yay!
Away.
We need coffee.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's so windy.
I think all of that working on.
안녕하세요. 네.
Is that first floor?
No, why not? Want to sit here?
Oh, so size.
I think it might be like the British style pancakes that are really flat, like a crepe, or like the fluffy one.
But a little something nice to think about. A bag. I think I'm just gonna do morning without the carrot buffet if I can.
Or I'll just eat it.
Okay.
Like on the
Yeah.
side. I like the carrots. Oh my god, you know what it's called? It's called rape. R-A-P.
Stop it. Are you kidding me?
No,
I love it.
It's French. I love that.
Oh, she is. Yeah, you gotta pick it up, girl.
It's our breakfast lumberjack. Looks lit.
Morning plate.
Ooh. Yummy. Let's get the sandwich. In Daegu, walking around. We're gonna do some shopping. Maybe get some clothes. Maybe get some phone accessories and stuff. Let's see, we've got an arcade. Nice. Lots of people out. The weather is still a little chilly and windy, but it's okay.
Cute, right?
Yeah, it looks cute. Maybe get a pop socket. What iPhone do I have? I don't know. I have a 13. Oh, like look at these. I love, look at this little guy. Can you see him? Oh, look, here's like card holders that just pop on the magnet. That's kind of nice. Harmony, get in.
I'm trying.
Kodak.
Wait, the anime ones are cool.
Happy Dingy Day. I don't know this means you.
So many of those. Okay, I realize how many. Oh my god, how cute!
My favorite store, Art Box. Ooh.
Do it. Or don't. Get an ear piercing.
Wait, look at these are bumpy. I think I need that. stationery shops are super big. Let's see. Cute. Okay, cute. Let's see what we find. Oh, here's some big ones. Oh, cute little salt bread. Oh, these are fun. Okay, let's.
I always get a green bow and I never wear it because I don't know how to wear them.
The bow?
Also, my hair's not straight down.
Here's what I got. Some stickers. No, it's just big.
It's huge though.
I'm coming. Oh my gosh, yes.
Oh my god.
This is gonna print us a little picture. We're gonna do it. Where's Harmony? There she is.